FIFINE, you so fine, you so fine, you blow my mind. Another FIFINE product. Yes, FIFINE has headsets as well as, I mean, they have really awesome microphones, but they have some headsets. I've never tried one of their headsets. I do know their microphones sound good, so I can just imagine that this microphone right here is going to sound really good. It has some RGB on it, 7.1 surround sound. We can get in here, we're going to get it unboxed, we're going to get it. You're going to take my word for it of how it's going to sound. Hopefully it sounds as good as their microphones, sound. I'm ready to get into it. It's not wireless though. Just so you know, it's not wireless. This is a wired headset. Remember, when you go to a cable or a wired headset, you get less lag input, and you're more on the dime whenever it comes to picking up the sounds around you. It is the H13 headset. It has 7.1 surround sound effect. It has 4 EQ modes, and it has some RGB. So if you're into the RGB, we're gonna see if we can turn that off and on in there. Whenever I game, of course, I don't have all these lights on whenever I'm gaming. I like to turn down and have just my monitor. But I don't want no light shining on. So to each his own, but you got that RGB if you want it there. Quick disclaimer real quick, FIFINE did send this out to me, but it's my thoughts and my thoughts alone. It is compatible with Windows and Mac. It has RGB, 4 EQ, 7.1, game chat, game/chat balance, where you can balance either side, mute switch, flexible boom arm, volume control. So some of the features on the back, it says stunning acrylic RGB light display area, 11 adjustable RGB lighting effects, detachable microphone, which is always a plus, slide to mute switch, volume control dial, one touch mic noise cancellation button, the game chat audio balance dial, 7.1 virtual surround sound effects, and 4 preset EQs. What do we get in the box? What do we get in the box? What do we get? What do we get? We get a user manual. We get your manual. So again, you can go through your manual. But who needs a manual for a headset? It's no fault to FIFINE, but Amazon didn't even put this thing in a box, man. They didn't box it up or nothing. They just sent it out just like this right here, which kind of aggravated me. Wasn't no tape on here. Someone could have opened it up and did whatever to it. So on FIFINE's website, they do have a few colors, and I'll leave a link down in the description to there, but I'll also leave Amazon on there as well. They have a few colors. I really, really wanted that white silver looking one, but unfortunately Amazon did not have it. Amazon only had the black and purple. So here we are with that black and purple. Looking good right there, actually. The cushions, I mean, I was feeling them as I was pulling it out of that little baggie right there. The cushions are so soft. Oh my, they are soft. Very padded so far. I'm liking that. Let's do some flex turns. I do them flex turns, right? To make sure, especially for big heads. I got a big head. And of course, we'll make sure that it is glasses friendly. Again, like I said, there is a wire on it. So here's your little control hub right here. This is where we're going to control everything. Hit that 7.1. Here's your mute button right here, your volume right here, your game. So you got your chat and then your game. Then of course your headset volume. Ready for the pillage? Ah, the pillage. No, I've never been one of the ones that do that pillage stuff. Just pull them off and put them to the side. On the left side ear cuff, we do have the RGB button to change the colors, and hopefully the off button. Here's where you put in your microphone right here. So again, it is a detachable microphone, which is really, really nice. I love detachable microphones. It is very flexible, very flexible. And that is all the buttons that you have actually on the headset itself. So it's only your RGB that you have to worry about on the headset. The purple and black don't look too bad. It's not that bad of a color. I just really would prefer the white silver color that they have. The ear cushions, they flex pretty good. So this is USB-A. I do wish that it was USB-C because that is the standard. I mean, they could do the USB-C with the adapter on it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do a test fit. Let's go ahead and see what they feel like. Well, it's blocked out. I mean, I'm talking about 99% of my outside noise. I mean, it's really knocked out that outside noise. Trying to looking at what I look at over here. The purple kind of matches my background lights and stuff right now. All right, let's get this thing hooked up. I'm ready to hear what it sounds like. All right, so I plugged them up. RGB comes up with a little bitty smile on there. I do like the smile by FIFINE. I'm glad that it doesn't have like FIFINE written all over it. Just a little bitty FIFINE right here at the top. Let's go ahead and hit that RGB button. You got your rainbow color, green, cyan, blue, purple looking, or I guess that was blue because there's purple. Your magenta, your red, your yellowish, your green. All right, what about if I hold it down? If I hold it down, will it go off? Hey, look at that. You hold it down and it goes off. So if you're like me and you don't want no RGB on yours, then that's perfect. So I'm sitting here and inspecting it. It does seem like the ear cushions might be able to come off. And maybe, but you might be able to put a pair of Wicked cushions on here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get into the mic test. All right, so this is what the mic sounds like right here. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. And just so you know, anyone who wears glasses, these are very glass friendly. If you wear glasses, very easy to come on and off. I'm not struggling whatsoever. They conform to my head and the headset itself. But again, this is what it sounds like right here. I have no noise cancellation, no nothing on, not even built in here or the software I use. But this is what it sounds like. I'm in a half-treated room. In front of me has some soundproofing, no soundproofing above or behind me, just the decorations behind me on the wall. So this is what it sounds like. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. And like I said, there's no lights at all on this DAC right here. The DAC does have a little clip right here, so if you want to clip it somewhere, so like me, I would clip it like right here on my mouse pad or something, clip it up out of my way. I can clip it on my shirt, wherever I need to clip it at. So on the front face of the buttons, you do have FIFINE. You do have a 7.1. You hit the button, it turns red, it comes on. You tap it again, it goes off. Then you have 3 more EQs right here, which is music, game, and movie. So if you tap it, we're on music. Tap it again, we're on gaming. Tap it again, we're on movie. And when you do this, which I'll listen to here in a little bit whenever I play something, you can hit 7.1 at the same time. So I'm kind of curious now if they can both be used at the same time. I'll let you know here in just a sec. Okay, like I said, there is a noise cancellation right now. It is not on. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Peter Piper picked a pepper. Peter went down to the pond to pick up Jill to pick some peppers. Check out the plosives, how they're doing. Okay, so now there's a little white light on the DAC right here, and now the noise cancellation is on. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Peter Piper picked a pepper. Peter went down to the pond to pick up Jill to pick some peppers. This is now the sound with it back off. So I'll go through the audio and I'll come back and give you my verdict, what I think the audio sound like. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to listen to some music, get into a couple of games. I tell you what, I hit that 7.1 in that song right there I was just listening to, and that bass just exploded. And yes, you can use that 7.1 and the 3 other EQs together. And the music one, the bass was a little bit lower. If you like that punchy style bass, go ahead and hit that gain button right there. And if you want that little extra bump in your ear, that music one, I tell you what, and I went back through and I listened to some of this audio from the microphone itself, and FIFINE never disappoints me. They never do. They never disappoint in their quality of their microphones. 100%. This does not, to me, does not sound like your typical all covered up microphone that sounds like this. You know, it doesn't sound nothing like that. It is very clear. It is just as clear as my boom arm microphone. I jumped into a little bit of Fortnite, and I'm talking about you could hear the music, the thugs. You could hear. Now, don't get me wrong. Whenever I was playing in game, though, I turned just the 7.1 on with no EQ, and for me, that was the best setting for me. Okay, so just like I thought that it might, they do come off. The ear cushions come off, so I don't know if FIFINE will sell it, or I don't know if you can find these on Wicked cushions at all. But I do like companies, though, that allow these to come off, not only for third-party companies to make, a cushion for it or make another part, but you can also take them off and clean them really, really good. That's, to me, another thing. And they do. They just snap in and out. And just like that, I snapped it back in. I mean, it's fine. All right, so for real, leave a comment down below. Let me know what these sounded like to you coming out the voice. So I do have a couple of complaints. I got 2 of them, but we'll get that in a minute. The first thing I'm going to say though is the microphone to me sounded phenomenal. I mean, sounded just like their other microphones on their boom arms. The bass in these actually are right on par with my $300 pair of Arctic Novas. So the two complaints that I have with this headset, number one, which is my biggest one, is the ear cuffs do not swivel. But with these here, you can. So you got to take them off. Right now, I do have the mic out of it. If not, the mic would be like right here trying to pick my nose. I don't want the mic picking my nose. So when these come off, I'd have to put them underneath, my hanger right here as soon as they come off. The second complaint I have is the noise cancellation. My voice kind of went down and kind of cut in just a little bit. It wasn't bad. I'm not saying that it didn't hold out none of the sound, but me personally, I think the volume was a lot louder, a lot crisper, a lot cleaner, and it sounded natural. It sounded just like me. So I really did like that. So 100%, these things, I know you can't hear what I hear coming out of it, but man, the bass is there. It's just clear. Having all those EQ presets was really nice. Going from music to gain, it's really nice. Comfortable. They were very comfortable on my head. Being able the cushions to be able to come off. But yes, these right here are worth your money here in 2025 for sure, without a doubt. And it's not just because I like FIFINE. FIFINE, they just make some of the best products. They do also have another pair of Bluetooth headphones. And now that I heard these, I think I'm fixing to go buy them bad boys. But yeah, 100% worth your money here in 2025. Go ahead and check out this video right here. See if this is worth your money. Yeah, here at the end of 2025, we're coming to the end. Oh my God, already, where did this year go? Man, but yeah, check out this video right here.